Okay, here we are, October 11th. Just condensed down. The honey supers did not get a fall flow from these girls. Not the end of the world for me though. Just means less I gotta feed. Come on, girls. So let's take a peek. I haven't been in here in about a week and a half. 2 weeks, I'm sorry, 2.5 weeks. Went on vacation and we're just gonna catch up. But we definitely have good weather going forward. But we're gonna take a peek, see what they're doing brood wise, and go from there. So, come on, girls. Strong hive. Just an update for anybody who hasn't watched all summer. Treated with HopGuard, treated with Formic Pro, and we are good to go for winter. So just did the condensing. All right, we got nice open frame here. Make sure I don't have a wandering queen. Open frame on the outer edge, not a problem. So I'm not worried. Like I said, we have at least 2 weeks of feeding weather. It's in the mid to high 60s. So I know it can change, but at the same time, looks pretty good. Got some brood hatching out over here. So this is probably, she's starting to slow down. Let's see what she's up to. Some emerging brood right here. Okay, girls, what's up with that? Nope, they're moving out. Okay. Got nervous there. I thought we had sick brood. Not what we want this time of year. Going to winter with a disease, not good. So, here we are. Good strong colony. This is what most of them look like. Got a lot going on right now. I still have that hive that I took out of the birdhouse. I did fix the frames, in case anybody's wondering. Look at the brood. There she is right here. So she is right here. Right here, little ladies. See if we can get you on camera. Doop, right there. Alright, let me get out of the way. I have a problem now. So brood, let's see here. Frame 3. Let's see what we're doing the middle, almost to the mid-October. And we'll go from there. See what you're up to. There we go. I'm just trying to put that together. I know, girls. I know. You guys are taking off today. We're getting active. So this is pollen. Loads of pollen in the front. I'm seeing eggs right there. Okay. Not too worried. Like I said, I see my queen. I see brood. Got the clouds. All right, young larva right there. All right. So this, we'll see how big the brood nest is right now. It'll be interesting to see. Get that in there. Very interesting to see. All right, girls. All right, come on. Come on. I don't need to be upset. There we go. Just see what's going on here. Trying to be quick at the same time. And we got a lot of brood right there. So we're talking 1, 2, 3 frames brood. And she's come back in and laid. Whew. Guess we aren't slowing down, huh? October 11th. So when I do feed, I keep the excluder on. For one, I don't want her to go up and start feeding up top. I want that thing to be stuffed. I want all the feed that I give them and all the honey and nectar they move around. More brood right here. I want all that to be above them. So, and I'm not worrying about them leaving the queen because there's still brood. So they're not going to move up on a cold night because the brood's still down below the excluder, and she'll be fine. So things to think about, but that's what I like to do. Keep the excluder on, have them stuff that super above first, and then work their way down into the outer deep frames. There we go. Still a lot of brood. Still a big patch of brood. So we'll see. So unfortunately for me, I don't have all the same equipment. So I can't go to a hive, lift it and say, okay, this needs to be 100 pounds. This needs to be whatever. Which for me in Cape Cod doesn't need to be 150 pounds. For one, it's a deep and a medium. But anyways, I love Brushy Mountain, the good old days. But look at the brood still. I mean, the ring she had going from edge to edge, still. And that's all young larvae right in the middle again. So no signs of slowing down. Looks like a beautiful cluster. So let's say even if she went straight through to November, say that for a minute, we're talking, oh boy, I just saw something I don't like. Ooh, that's a big one, girls. What are we doing? Big and ugly. Nothing there to see though, thank you. But look at the brood all the way out here. Emerging bees, so this is probably the outer edge. Yeah, that frame's got nothing. That was one of the ones they never finished because I combined a nuke into this hive when the queen failed. So that's it. So like I was saying, I was starting to like thought on, even if they brood up right through to November, we'll have plenty of feed. We should be able to feed right through and go from there. But that's just an outer frame. So that's it. I'm going to condense like you saw on the honey supers. Got them down. I know I lost at least one, and I'm just going to put this back together. But thank you for watching.